Want healthy-looking skin? Get some vitamin D. So how do you get it? Not by obsessing over your skin in a mirror, but by living a healthy lifestyle. This means getting a little sunshine and eating right. Researchers recommend adults get somewhere between 5 and 30 minutes of sunshine, and at least 2 times a week. Scientists are hesitant to give out exact figures though, because everyone's built a little different and there are lots of variables involved. Now, we're not talking about grilling your skin. The bottom line is get a little sun, but know your limits. Now let's say you're stuck on the night shift, live in a cave, or have a full-time job in the North Pole. Don't despair, you can still get vitamin D from option number 2, eating right. Vitamin D comes from a bunch of different sources, including fatty fish, egg yolks, or food where vitamin D is added. Now, if you can't make enough room for these foods in your diet, you can always get your daily dose from vitamin D supplements, some which come from odd places like mushrooms and wool grease. In reality, it's really hard to get vitamin D from just one source, so you're probably going to get it from a combination of the 3: sunshine, diet, and supplement. So how is all this good for your skin? The sun kickstarts the body's vitamin D making capabilities, while vitamin D-rich foods bring the nutrients straight to the digestive system. Now, the first version of vitamin D is inactive and boring, a real snoozer. That's when the liver and kidneys get involved. They add the hydrogens and oxygens necessary to transform D into an active vitamin with a can-do attitude. In fact, the resulting vitamin D is so active, it's practically an overachiever. It has the power to strengthen bones, supercharge the immune system, and restore our skin. Now, when vitamin D reaches skin cells, it does 2 things. The first is it tells the cells to divide. This is called cell proliferation, and it pushes new cells towards the surface, renewing our skin by replacing the dry old stuff with the nice new stuff. Second is as these cells migrate to the surface, vitamin D tells them to undergo cell differentiation. This is where the cells change from pudgy keratinocytes to hard and lean corneocytes that are tough enough to protect the skin. The recommended daily allowance of vitamin D is 600 IU, and chances are pretty good you aren't getting it. According to a 2009 study published in the Archives of Internal Medicine, only 23% of Americans get enough vitamin D. So the next time you need an excuse to get outside or eat a healthy meal, remember, a little of either is good for your bones, immunity, and skin. Want more tantalizing tidbits about the science of beauty? Come visit me at MsBeautyphile.com.